like them. Jamming on the beat. Sucks me out and think like them.
Hey, if you're new here, I've got what I got from Whatnot. So we're going to do another what I got from Whatnot. Now, first thing, this bag was almost $20. A little more than I would have normally paid, except for it's a tea set for my baby girl. And honestly, I thought they were going to do more on that show. And this was these were the last items they put on the show. So, but I got this. But I wanted this for Oki for Christmas. So I did pay a little bit more than I should have. Sorry about the lighting. Because you know how it goes. Every time I'm ready to record lately, it's just... And I got these. And I'm going to take these and give these out at the craft show. And I got this hat, which the kids will wear. I put it in Oki's pile. Where to put Oki's pile? And then we also got 2 little keychains, which is like this. But I thought they were going to have more stuff. They were going to, you know, that's why I paid the shipping and started it. So, I'll leave the links to the people down here. Because both of these, once you pay shipping once, you don't have to pay it again. Now this whole, from here on, I paid $25 for everything. Okay? First we have another one of those silly bird things. Then we got 4 of these. 4 of these. Then I got Bangoran or something. Only at Target. I got one of these, which I didn't know what it was at first. I thought it was just regular planners, but it's one of those planners that you spin and they stay on each other. So I thought that was kind of cool. You know, I could use that to put my flowers up in the house before season. And I got this, which is, to me, is pretty freaking ugly. You know, call me crazy, but it looks ugly to me. And I'm trying to figure out, is that just one cavity in there, or is it 2 different? I think it's 2 different. But it's ugly. It is ugly. It is ugly. Here's another silly bird. Oh. Here's some of these. I forget what they're called. And then I got this. This is a blind bag. And it's one of those anime things, and it's a blind bag. Here's an ice chest, or you could even put gravy in there. Here's another one of those. Yeah, I paid a total of $20 for all of this, so. Oh, and here's another one of those bins. Here's a ring, blow-up ring. This is a snow cone banner. Just kind of cute. This is a kitchen towel. Then we have this. Here we have another one of those ugly things. I know people, you know, you can put conditioner on one side and your shampoo on the other. Some people may like that. I don't know. I just think they're kind of ugly. Okay, then this one is Ocean Pears Scholastic Get Ready for Pre-K. Here's a little drink thing. Here's another one of the blind bag things. Here's a wooden dinosaur that you paint. What are you? What are you? This is a hanging file folder. This is what it looks like. Put it like that, and they're all little file folders. That would be good for storage in a studio or something. Now we have a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle. So, we know that's going to go on my side. Here's the mate to that. There's two of them now. I could sell them together or apart, but I could sell them together. I try to keep everything like close to $5 because then women have to type in all this shit to check out. And I don't like making it hard on them, you know. If you put something there for $1, to me, I think I'm wasting their time. Oh, check this out. Now we have a silly dog and a drink. I don't know what this is. Get ready for savings, it says. Hot deals inside. I have no idea what this is. I don't know what that is. It's just a pack, and it's got a pack of something in it. And it said, get ready for savings deals inside, and it says Target on it. So I don't know what that is. I'll have to check it out later. And this is, I believe, for your Crocs. It's got the little things on the back. I believe it's for the Crocs. And we got goggles, which kids are using. Whoa. And here's a different dog. He's eating a snow cone. Here's Oki's glasses. Honestly, that's why I really bought them, because I know Oki will love those. But yeah, I bought four or five boxes from the same thing, and it ended up costing me $25. So, you know, it was worth it. And then you got two little bath toys. And you just put the water in it and squirt it. It's a squirt gun type thing, but you can use it in a bathtub. Come on, don't love me. Then I got these. I thought I would just donate those down to the school. Somebody will want them. They're dry erase magnets. And they got school buses on them. Then here's a lime to go with your lemon. And here's how you open them. Oh, I get it now. I get it now. Okay. Then I got some more goggles. And this is a mini-sized light bright. And I would imagine those are too small to have with the girls, because Skylar likes to put everything in her mouth because she thinks it's food. She's an eater. She steals everybody's food. You can't turn your back on her because she'll steal your food. We have to keep a close eye on her because she does that. She steals everybody's food. And Oki's one of those little piecers, you know, and so if you let Skylar, Oki wouldn't get any food. Here's another water squirter. And here is a little, it's from Manhattan Toy. I don't know what it's supposed to be. From a Manhattan Toy, I don't know what it's supposed to be. Put that down there. And we got these little two pair of earrings just left on this, and we're just going to throw those aside. Because, you know. And this is two Adopt Me plush clips. And I got some sunflower seeds. So, that's what I got from TikTok this week. If you like what you see here, hey, come on back, man. Like, subscribe, do the YouTube's thing. Because, you know, old people need love too.